Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Caramel Quails here again with another video. So if you guys saw my last video, you would know I blow dried my hair for the first time using my Dyson blow dryer. It is now day 2. A quick update on that. I did have to retouch my hair up just because Miami's humidity is ridiculous. My hair just like shrunk up into like a mini fro and it just was like really matted. So I went in and detangled, retouched my hair up with the blow dryer, and here we are today. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out perm rods again. So last time I tried perm rods, it wasn't on stretched hair, and I wasn't mad at my results. It was giving, you know, Goldilocks, Shirley Temple. I just feel like I would prefer my results a little better on stretched hair. I also asked you guys, as well as my Instagram, if I should do a stretch perm rod set or a stretch Bantu knot out. I was low-key hoping to do the Bantu knot out because I don't know, I just have a feeling that like a Bantu knot out would just be it on stretched hair. I'll have to try that next time because most people voted for the perm rod set. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I really hope this doesn't take me all night, but I feel like it will. It is currently 6:10 p.m. and the product I'm going to be using today is the Lotta Body Foaming Mousse. This is like an OG. I feel like everybody knows this product. Last perm rod set I used to do and it was okay, but I want to switch it up. Ooh, y'all didn't hear that. Ooh, girl. Damn. I promise I just detangled my hair, y'all. I don't know what that was, but let's just act like that didn't happen. Alright, so I'm going to go in with one little pump of the mousse because I'm also not trying to be sitting under the dryer all day. At all. Damn. I guess. It smells so good. I'm going to add a little more to my ends because last time I played myself, my ends on my last perm rod set were a hot mess. So let me just add a little more there. Because look at my hair, ready to curl up. Look. This one is on. All right, first one is on. The biggest issue I have with perm rod sets is the parting. I don't know how I'm supposed to part my hair. Alright, I'm gonna have to go back to that one and fix that later. But if the perm rod should be diagonal, should they be straight? Should they be going in different directions, you know? Good at this. Why does this feel worse than the last perm rod set? Oh my gosh. Y'all don't want to know what time it is. I'm embarrassed to tell you what time it is right now. Wash and go with never. Okay, never. Also, not only am I struggling with the sections and the parting, but also where I'm attaching the rubber band on the perm rod. I think that's one of my biggest issues, which is why they keep hanging. I think that's what it is. So y'all, I'm down to my last 3 perm rods. And I have this much hair left. Oh my gosh. What the hell am I gonna do? Oh my gosh, y'all. We're gonna have to find a way to make it work, but I don't think I'm gonna like it. But I already don't like it, so what's the point? I am officially out of perm rods and I have this much hair left. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and use these flexi rods, I guess. Although I have never used flexi rods before. It's the next best thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just split this in two and call it a day, because yeah, it's about that time. Let me know in the comment section, which do you guys prefer, flexi rods or perm rods? But yeah, something tells me this perm rod set is actually gonna be worse than the first one. I don't know how that happened, because when I did my perm rod set the last time, I said it probably would be easier if my hair was blow dried, which it is now, and perm rods are just hanging, swinging. But anyways, y'all, I will get back when my hair is fully dry to take down these rods. Y'all wish me luck. Well, y'all, it's about that time. It is now midnight. It's time for me to go to bed. I have work at 7 a.m. so my hair feels pretty dry for the most part. If not, to be honest, like, it is what it is at this point. Let's just see how this goes. So I'm going in with some Adra Beauty Bowman Protect and Shine Oil Blend. Just rub that in my hands. Now I'm gonna begin taking these rods out. Oh my gosh, let's see. Let me see something. I feel like this looks very similar to the last time, y'all, but maybe it's too early to tell. Let me just continue taking these out. Okay, amen. Wow, that is cute. Ah! I am shook. I honestly was not expecting it to look this good. I mean, it's still giving a little Shirley Temple, you know what I'm saying? But I honestly was expecting to have way more frizz, way less definition, but the definition is popping, y'all. It is popping. I cannot wait to get some volume. My hair feels really soft and moisturized. What y'all think so far? So one thing I'm noticing is that I actually didn't have to use as small of sections as I thought I did, since my hair was stretched, and I actually prefer this size than to these. Granted, I've separated this side a little more than this side, but I don't know, I feel like the curls look a lot bigger on this side, and I like that look. So okay, not so bad. Not bad at all. Definitely a nice finesse. My hair looks really healthy, really soft, and like I said, a lot better than I thought it was gonna look. So these sections over here are actually pretty damp, hence why I have not separated them. I just know it's gonna be frizzy, and I want to embrace all this definition and minimal frizz while I can. However, overall, my hair doesn't really look much more voluminous as I expected it to, considering my hair was already stretched. So maybe I used a little too much mousse, causing my hair to like really shrink up and almost like revert back. So y'all, these are my finished results, and I must say that I surprised myself. Honestly, wasn't expecting it to look as presentable as it is right now. I also just wish that it had a little more volume. So that just means that I'm probably gonna get a few days out of this perm rod set, I hope. Hoping that my hair gets more voluminous and more fluffy as the days go on, rather than like shrinking up, because the last time I did a perm rod set, they just turned into finger coils. So we shall see. Which side are you guys feeling more though? I think I want to say, for some reason, kind of sort of feeling this side a little more, only because it's more fluff than this side. This side is more perfect and defined. Either way, I think it just looks really good overall. But for next time, I know that I don't have to use such small sections, especially if this is the look that I'm going for. I just thought that because my hair is so dense, I had to use really small sections in order to actually get definition and minimal frizz. But I feel like I have minimal frizz here, apart from the sections that are still a little damp. I mean, it wasn't fun, and I don't know if I'll be doing this anytime soon. but we're gonna go ahead and appreciate it for now, for the time being. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, but I can honestly say that I'm happy with my results. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was like an emotional roller coaster. In 1 minute I'm crying, the next minute I am obsessed. So welcome to the life of a natural. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I will see y'all next week.